Hello guys, in this video we are going to see the progress or current stage of community module. So as you can see, this is the first page of community module. We have added good animation to look better, and this is sign up flow. Actually you can select profile pic and you can fill in the details. We have divided fields in multiple pages, so each section will be shown on different page, so for user it looks friendly. And as you already know that custom profile module is completely optional. If you add it, control you'll be able to control the profile fields. You can add, edit or remove fields that you want, or if you don't want it. And this model is still under development, so you can expect some bugs, but functionality wise it is almost ready, and we expect it to be ready by September 15. And we initially committed August 15 to September 15, so we are asking you to wait till September 15 to get better final version. And this is different section of profile page, and fields are shown in different pages, so that it is convenient, or for user it looks small few fields. And our designer has put in lots of efforts to make this design. We have worked on these things multiple times. Still there is some design issue on birthday section. We work on it. We have added minor things to look at more professional. We have added animation here on this page also, like different section of profile page. On this page also we have some design issues that we are working. It's like once you select, then labels are visible, but it should be visible by default, so we are working on that part. Still you can see the complete flow and the functionality. This is the final page, just information and with some little animation. It looks good. And this is find a match page, so you can see the recently joined members photos here. If you click, it will show the profile of that user. And favorites page or tab is for uh, going to the pages where you will see all the profiles that you liked. So I'm going to like this profile first, and now I'll go to favorite section and it will show me one profile because I have liked this profile. And this is profile page, my profile page. Similarly, it will have same look and feel for others profile page also. Edit button won't be there. And this is the edit profile page. Each section you can just control and edit it. There is some settings. We can enable disable location from here. I have enabled it. Once you enable it, user will be able to search you by location, like they can find nearest people or whatever it is. Location wise functionality will be enabled. We have added Tinder like swipe right and swipe left functionality, which makes this a model completely different from any other Siberian model. It's like mostly designed oriented model, and even for us this is the best, design wise the best model from our end. And we have different bigger model with huge functionalities, but if you look at the design, this is the best model from our end. And we hope you liked it, and if you have any feedback, please do comment on this video. And we are still working on this, and you'll able to get access to demo within couple of weeks. And by September 15 we will be able to release our first version. And we are hoping your continuous support with other models. And we have currently a task model which is under crowdfunding stage, so if you participate now you'll have lifetime license. And even for this model, for a couple of weeks it's still you'll get lifetime license